issue I'm having lately is loose noise on the low speeds. I've rebuilt the back end suspension the lot, bearings, bushes, arms, you name it. And recently I'm starting to get funny noise coming from the bottom of my back end. I've chased it up and managed to get sound coming from lower control arm. Top, nothing. And sounds coming from there. Not sure if you can see the movement, but I'm getting it from. I've checked all of the connections, all the bushes are recently replaced. Not sure what else can it be, only the sound comes from there. And I've checked that bolt, this is all tight, the rest of the shaft is tight, arm is tight as well. It's definitely coming from the connection inside there. Yeah, so that's the thing I need to get hold of, replace, so I don't know. Anyhow, much appreciation.